the 2019 Kia Soul. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback leads among competitors in its segment. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Kia prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, rear wipers, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop in and take a test drive.